How to remove your Facebook account on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove your Facebook account on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click these 3 points and then go down, click settings and then account info, and now just go down and here you will find Facebook. Then just click on it and delete it, and now just click this one, save, and now let's verify. And as you see, Facebook account has been removed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.